Most people using Claude are getting maybe 5% of what it can do. They type a question, get an answer, and close the tab. That's like buying a Ferrari and never leaving first gear. So in this video, I'm giving you the only Claude tutorial you'll ever need. In under 10 minutes, you'll learn which Claude model to use for every job, the 3 setup moves that give Claude a perfect memory of you, the 5 prompting secrets that instantly make your result better than 99% of users, and the 1 skill that turns Claude from a chatbot into a money-making machine. Everything I'm sharing comes from using Claude every single day to run businesses that have done over $18 million in sales. No fluff, let's go. Step 1. Understanding the models. This is where most people mess up on day one. Claude isn't one AI, it's a family of models, and picking the right one is like picking the right employee for the job. Here's the simple breakdown. Claude Fable is the genius, the most powerful AI ever created. So powerful the government banned it for 18 days, but it's premium with tight limits. So you save Fable for what matters most: your business strategy, your big plans, your final quality checks. Claude Opus is the workhorse, the best builder, and one of the best writers on the planet. This is your daily driver for creating content, writing code, and building projects. Claude Sonnet and Haiku are the speed team, faster and cheaper, perfect for simple questions, quick summaries, and everyday tasks. Here's the rule to remember: genius for strategy, workhorse for building, speed team for the small stuff, use the expensive brain for expensive problems, and you'll get 5 times more out of your subscription than everyone else. That's the foundation. Now, let's give Claude a memory. Step 2, the 3 setup moves that change everything. Here's the problem with how most people use Claude. Every conversation starts from zero. Claude has no idea who you are, what you do, or what you're building. So you get generic answers. These 3 moves fix that. Move number 1, use projects. A project is like giving Claude its own office for each part of your life. 1 project for your business, 1 for your content, 1 for each client. Inside a project, Claude remembers everything you've put there every time you come back. Move number 2, build your master prompt. This is the game changer. Open Claude and type this: interview me with 10 questions to understand my business, my goals, my audience, and how I like to work. Then turn my answers into a profile document. Claude interviews you and hands you a complete file about you. Drop that file into your project. Now every answer Claude gives you is tailored to your exact situation. Move number 3, add your examples. Feed the project your best work, your favorite emails, your best posts, your writing samples. Now when Claude creates for you, it sounds like you, not like a robot. Do these 3 moves once and Claude goes from a stranger to a business partner who knows you better than most of your friends. Step 3, the 5 prompting secrets. These 5 habits separate the pros from everyone else. Secret number 1, make Claude interview you first. Before any big task, add this line: before you answer, ask me any questions you need to do this perfectly. Claude asks exactly what it needs, and the output quality doubles. Secret number 2, give the whole job at once. Don't drip feed 5 separate messages, stack it, analyze this, find the problems, write the summary, and draft the email. 1 message. Claude handles the entire chain, and you save a ton of usage. Secret number 3, say what you don't want. Claude follows exclusion rules better than any AI out there. No buzzwords, don't open with a question, never sound corporate. Watch the writing instantly improve. Secret number 4, make it check its own work. After any output, just say, check your work. Claude catches its own mistakes and hands you a better version. Secret number 5, edit, don't correct. If Claude gets something wrong, don't send correction after correction. Go back, edit your original message, and regenerate. Corrections stack up costs. Edits start clean. Real quick, if you're getting value, comment the word maker below, because at the end, I'm showing you how to turn these skills into actual income. Now the part that changes lives. Step 4, stop chatting, start building. Here's the secret almost nobody understands. Claude isn't a chatbot. Claude is a builder. It can create real working things, documents, designs, presentations, entire apps. You describe what you want in plain English, and Claude builds it in front of you. I've built software with Claude for around $50 that would have cost me $200,000 a few years ago. That's not an exaggeration. I got quoted that exact number. My 65-year-old dad, a landscaper, built his own tool in 1 day. My 6-year-old daughter built an app that creates kids' stories. If they can build, you can build. And here's why building matters more than chatting. A conversation with Claude disappears when you close the tab. tab. A piece of software you build with Claude can charge $50 a month to 200 customers forever. That's a $10,000 a month business, built by describing what you want in plain English. Chatting with AI saves you time. Building with AI makes you money. That's the level most people never reach, and it's exactly where you should be headed. So let's recap your complete Claude playbook. Pick the right model. Genius for strategy, workhorse for building, speed team for the small stuff. Set up your memory, projects, master prompt, your examples, prompt like a pro, interview me first, whole job at once, say what you don't want, check your work, edit, don't correct. And finally, stop chatting, start building. Now here's the honest truth. Everything in this video makes you dangerous with Claude, but there's one thing Claude can't do for you. It can't tell you what to build that people will actually pay for, and it can't get you customers. That's where 99% of people get stuck. Beautiful software, zero sales. That's exactly why my partner and I built Maker AI. We took our entire $18 million playbook and turned it into a tool. I finds you a profitable software idea based on real demand. It validates it so, people will pay before you build. It gives you the exact prompts to build it with Claude, and then it hands you the complete system to get customers, the part that actually makes you money. If you want it, comment the word maker below or click the link in the description. Here's my challenge. Don't just watch this video. Pick one thing, the master prompt, the interview trick, anything, and use it today. That's how everything starts. If this helped, hit subscribe, because I break down how to make money with AI every single week. I'll see you in the next one.